NASDAQ this week has lost its value, and we can see that the price started with this bearish candle going all the way below this support level, the next support level, and reached the final support, which is also a weekly and monthly support at 21,000. From here the price tried to go all the way back down, reaching also the next support at 20761 is the next support level, but the price could not close the daily candle below that, which means there is no bearish breakout. From here the price has found enough strength to push the price above, and there is enough buying strength to push the price above this area of resistance 21,255, which is also a bullish breakout. Weekly time frame shows me that we currently have a bearish week closed as a bullish pin bar, with a larger wick on the lower side, smaller body, but we can see that the body is still inside this area where the price could not make a bullish or bearish breakout in the previous week. So it is very important support and resistance levels where the price currently is. The previous month has closed as a bearish pin bar at the very important resistance level, indicating further decline in value. Will that happen? We'll see how the price behaves during this month. For now, I need to see the price going below 21,000 in order to try to verify this bearish pin bar as a potential valid signal. So for now we can see that this month has started as a bullish. This month has just started. We are in the first week, so we will not make any conclusions. I will go back to the daily time frame where I can see much more clear information. For now I can see this is a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value, which means very close to 21,544 is the next target after this Friday candle has closed above this area of resistance, now acting as a support. And for that I will need to see will the price confirm this bullish breakout as a valid one, which means the daily candle on a Monday should not go below this support level. Now 4-hour time frame is also showing how the price is reacting. The price is forming this bullish breakout above 21,255, we can see that, and it has been confirmed with the next candle. Now the price needs to manage to go above this area of resistance. This is a 4-hour time frame. If it manages to go above 21,544 will be the next target, which is also visible on the daily time frame. 21,544 is the next target. So 4-hour time frame, this resistance is the key. If it is broken, it will go up, but if it doesn't break, it will stay inside this range area or it will go down. So what will happen, we'll see on a Monday when the market opens. But for now also I will also share this bullish or bearish breakout in this area to the traders inside the premium analysis, so they are informed on time. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.